Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's LeetCode question 1861 rotating box. It is a medium level question and it has been asked in Uber, Google, Amazon, Meta and Microsoft. Okay, let's go through the problem statement. So we have been given a grid with a hash which is representing a stone, a star which is representing an obstacle and an empty space. So what we have to do is we have to rotate this grid by 90 degree and then apply gravity on it. So what this gravity will do is see here. So we have the initial grid like this. Okay, then we have applied a 90 degree rotation, so it will be look like this. Now consider the stone is here. Now what gravity will do is the stone will come down, right. So we are just applying a gravity here, and then what we need to do is we just need to turn this final grid. Check here, when we rotated the grid by 90 degree, the stone at 0th position was falling at the first position. So we can also say that we will apply the gravity on the right side. So we'll just like move all this to the right rather than applying the gravity on the down. You can apply this on the down also, but in our solution we will do a right operation. After we have applied the gravity to the right side, we will just take the 90 degree rotation. So the final grid will be the same as what we are looking here. The rotation formula for a 90 degree rotation is very simple. What we will do, we will have a grid. We'll just first take the transpose of the grid, and then for each row, what we will do is that we will just reverse the elements. So the algorithm is very simple. Apply gravity on all the rows, then take the transpose of the matrix and then reverse each row. So we have been given a grid. Okay, m will is the like grid length and n is the column length. Consider this grid. What I have taken, consider we are taking this row out. Okay, so now we have to apply the gravity on the right on the row side. Okay, so we will take an empty pointer and we will iterate in the backward direction. So whenever we encounter a like a star, what it means is there is an obstacle, so we can't swap any stone there, so we will just move the empty minus minus. Whenever a blank cell is present, we can stop, we can continue, and whenever we find a hash or the stone, so we can just swap it to the correct position. Like consider here, we are starting from the end, we have an empty pointer here. Whenever hash is coming, we'll just swap it, so it will remain here only. Then empty will move here, j will move here. We found an obstacle, so the empty will move here, j will move here. So like an empty cell, so nothing, the empty pointer will not do anything, so empty will move here. Now we encounter an hash, so the hash will move here, and the like this will be the empty cell. So at the end, our rotation will give us this answer: 0 hash star hash. So this has applied the gravity. So this is the pseudocode for it, what we have just discussed. So after gravity is being applied, what we need to do is we just need to rotate our grid by 90 degree, right? So the formula is very simple. First take the transpose of the matrix. So transpose pseudocode is like this. After the transpose is done, what we need to do is for every row in the grid, we just need to like swap every element, like reverse the array. Okay, so this is the pseudocode here. If you want to get into depth of this like rotate an image by 90 degree, you can just check out this LeetCode 48 rotate image video. So the time complexity of this like question will be order of n cross n, and the space will be also order of m cross n because we are taking an extra space. So that's it for this problem. If you are in the same journey of interview preparation, you want the content on LeetCode, LLD, HLD or GenAI, please follow along. The code will be given in the description. Thanks.